What's the second one?
Art.
Okay. Very good. So that's the key right there. You have to know which one to use. So go ahead and use it. And then tell me, I'm gonna ask 3 groups to give me the answer randomly, right? Well, yeah, work on it, come on. Would you rather be stuck when you are sitting in front of the computer and say, and then nobody explained to you how to get the answer, so do it now. I'm helping you with that process, the learning process. Yeah. There's expectation.
The chocolate delta signal.
I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out.
It ain't 1 point.
Well, look at your notes instead of trying to figure out. What is changing Q? Changing Q is, if you miss a class, that's your problem. Remember, you're supposed to catch up. What is changing Q? Q1 minus Q0, right? I'm giving it to you now. What is changing P? P1 minus P0. What is P0? Somebody tell me.
Is the original?
Yeah, give it to me. What's that number?
3.
What is P1?
2.
2. Okay, this is how you start off.
Yeah.
Write down everything instead of like that. What do we do? Should we just faint and give up? No.
Yes.
Please don't say that. I'm helping you. Don't give up so fast. Q0 is what?
10.
Okay, 10. And Q1 is?
15.
Okay, let's look at it. Does law of demand applies here? Does it?
Yeah.
What does it mean? Somebody explain to me.
Price goes down, demand.
Very good. When price goes down from $3 to $2, quantity demanded goes up from 10 to 15. Okay, so you have a choice. You could substitute everything in and see what you got. But then it also asks, what's one's price elasticity to the demand from milk at $2? So from here, you should be able to calculate something, right? What is changing Q?
5.
Q1 minus Q0, which is
5.
15 minus 10. Does it get easier now?
Yeah.
That's how you have to do it, right? But then when you sit in front of the computer, that's what you have to do. Instead of saying, I don't know. I'm going to give this equation to you, but then the thinking is on you on the day of the exam, correct? I can do the thinking for you.
She ain't fucking.
So P1 minus P0, what is it? What is it? Come on.
Oh, it's
3 2 minus.
Yeah, which is what? Which is what?
-1.
Negative. Go ahead and say that. Don't be afraid. -1. It should be negative because all the price elasticity or demand, as I said before, should give you a negative number. Okay, very good. So could we substitute in? Which one should we substitute in?
She should answer name. No.
5.
Yeah, we could do this one. How about this? This one seems doable. Okay, so let's use a different color. All right, changing Q is 5. So yeah, I can do it. It's a 5. And changing, and Q0 is, come back to here again, right? What about the other one?
Not is 3.
E0 is 3. Changing P is?
2. I mean
Negative
1.
one.
1 negative 1.
What? -1. The irritant side.
I'm hyped.
You get fired if it is a -1 million versus positive 1 million. Okay, so can everybody do this? Yes.
It's negative 1.5.
So 5, 10 times 3, -1, so
1/2. What you right?
what is 1/2? Come on. This, right? Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But you gotta take the absolute.
See, I was
value.
going in order, like, you know, I won't skip in the.
I forgot
Anyway, what's this? Use your calculator. Andrew, use your calculator.
1.5, like it's in my head.
It's negative 1.5.
Yeah, negative 1.5.
But you gotta take that
Absolute value.
Right, yeah. Are you sure it's 1.5?
It gotta be.
Positive.
See? I don't need a
Is there
calculator.
any answer?
1.5.
Is there any
Now,
answer?
Value of it. So it's 1.5.
But that's not the answer.
That's crazy. That's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
So I'm wrong.
Because that's the tendency that student would do it that way. But then next, look at it very carefully. That next line. What is Horn's price elasticity of demand for milk at $2? Wow, that means we actually end up using this guy. Wait, yeah.
Oh man, how many formulas you gotta use?
Right. So if you do that, the P naught should be.
I would turn too.
What is P naught be? The P naught is
$3.
oh yeah, go back $3, and your Q naught is 10. 1 over slope.
2 over 3.
That would be change in basically one slope is just write it down. Change in Q divided by change in the other way. But then so your 1 over slope will be change in Q divided by change in Q. Did we calculate that? We did. Okay, we got 5 change in Q. So this is negative, right? That's 5 up here, and this is negative 1. 5. See that?
Oh, 1.5.
So,
So why-
what's the answer here? 1.5 also?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wrong.
Let's go.
Mm.
Height.
Why isn't it,
I know microeconomics.
if you have one overslope, why does it become -5? Why isn't it negative
one?
1/5?
I'm sorry?
You have one overslope, why isn't it negative 1/5?
I'm taking this change in Q. Where's change in Q? Right here,
Players, bro.
which is 5. And change in P is negative 1.
But it's still
So that's how I got it, yeah.
Like that.
Okay, well, it looks like you get the same answer.
So
Oh,
what's
you
that?
got a different one. So 1.5.
The answer, right?
So you got that, but if we have a negative 1.5 there, you will pick negative 1.5 as the answer. Okay, everybody got that?
Gotcha.
That's a hint for you. Got it? Write down, this is a hint.
What she said?
Okay, well, go ahead and do question number 3 since you've done 2. That one is easy. I'm gonna ask one group to give the answer. Oh yeah, you have to start thinking instead of wait to. Don't give me the answer yet. I will ask 3 groups to give me answers. See what you got. Discuss with your partner. Zach, can you see? You're like squinching your eyes. Like, you want me to move it out so you can see your movement?
Yeah, can you blow it up just a little bit? Zoom in just a little bit, please.
I'm sorry?
Could you zoom in just a
Oh,
little
zoom.
Yeah, that's good.
Just big enough.
bit? Yeah, that's perfect.
You didn't have to go like that.
Some of you should be sitting in front. We got lots of front seat, you know.
Man, a lot of people ain't coming today.
Okay, so look at it, and I will ask you for an answer very quickly. I'll pick 3 groups, so because I want you to do. When we get to other chapters, we will do some of this because discussion is important for you to understand. I do not want anybody to be behind, like we don't know what's going on. You're not engaging.
Nah.
You're not discussing. Come on, I should be hearing noises. Caution, okay, for the,
But it sound right though.
yes.
But that shit went down while ago.
That means the price elasticity of the ball is equal to 2.
I can't.
Price goes down.
So if it is equal to 2, is it elastic or inelastic?
It's elastic.
Elastic, okay? If it is greater than 1, it's elastic. But still, what we're asking you, how do you calculate? So it basically goes back to this. You only need this. This one, you don't even need all these, numbers, you only need this one, the one in English. Right?
Yeah, I ain't got no.
Okay, how many of you say, raise your hand, groups, how many of you say A is the answer? I hope you raise your hands at some point, or you can roll your dice, yeah, this is like
I
one,
better not raise my
1, 2,
hand
3,
with me.
4. What is 4? Okay. A 20% increase in price will lead to a 10% decrease in quantity. You know that's not gonna be correct because this is 1/2, correct? Everybody got it? This is 1/2, and what's wrong with the first one? Okay, this one will be 2, but then the problem is, everybody see what happened?
It's C, right?
No, wait, we're not there yet.
Oh.
You have to go through the process because if you're wrong, you need to know what's wrong, right? So, okay, what's wrong with A, Andrew?
What's wrong with
If
A?
you wanna talk, yeah. What's wrong with A? If you
It's
blame
just
your-
not right.
Oh, yeah, I know, it's not right.
Nah, it's
Why is it not right? You have to know the reason, because there's a reduction in
yeah, the
price.
reduction and then it's
Uh-huh.
gonna decrease.
Yeah, well, so what's wrong with that?
They can't do both at the same time.
No, somebody else explain. Hunter, yes, go ahead.
Is it because you have 10 as the
No. Yes,
Whenever the price is reduced, the quantity demanded goes up.
very good. Did everybody hear what he said?
No.
Repeat louder.
Whenever the price goes down, the quantity demanded goes up.
Or vice versa. No, that's not what you're saying. Yeah, you have to be explicit. Yeah. So that is a law of demand, okay? Okay, please don't argue because it's not worth it. We want to move forward, okay? So don't raise on marginal cost. What about next one? A 20% decrease in price lead to 10%. Also, what's the number here? Yes. Oh, you were gonna say something? Yes. What is C?
That's what we
Is C the answer? You raise your hand.
Yeah, that's why I'm raising my hand.
That's what we said, yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Okay, now C cannot be the answer because why? So it's good that you
Then it's D.
you say C because now you know what's wrong and you find out what mistake you made and why. Because it means that 20 is down here, 10 is here, so you cross it out. The answer is half. So in other words, it has to be 10 at the bottom, 20 on top.
So it's D.
So it's D.
What about D? No, wait, not so quick. We had none of the above also, so be careful.
Yeah,
Don't be
that's why I
so
was-
quick. How many of you say D is the answer?
That actually makes more sense.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Gerson, why D is the answer? Yes, I think you could explain.
Because it's a reduction. I don't know.
Okay, because we got 10 and 20, right?
20
Here.
gonna be on top, 10 gonna be on the bottom.
Right, so we got 2, and then the direction is correct. It's a negative because you can say reduction in price would lead to an increase in quantity demand. So therefore, it is correct. Now, if the other answers say the other way, okay, like increase in 10% increase in price will lead to 20% decrease in quantity demanded, that is also correct. As long as they move in the opposite direction. Okay, so everybody should score 10 out of 10 for Fridays.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do this flash quiz. They got this something.
We already done 2, so you only have 8 to count.
Like, I got questions.
That's
like,
nothing. And remember, just taking a quiz is not enough. You got to read the book. You got to understand. Go over the notes or
So the flash quiz ain't nothing like the
there
quiz
is
we gonna
no
take.
shortcut.
Huh?
Yeah, it's not